Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. This is March 2025 Patreon Part 6. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord on the link below as well. All the link that we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So you got Daybreak Manager and other good D&D figures as well. Let's see, March 6th live, Frostbane Legion. So we're getting orcs. Looks like it. A lot of orcs. Yeah, we're getting a lot of orcs. Yeah, that's pretty cool too. Probably use some of this proxy for your orc for your Warhammer. You get your bus, your demon, and your welcome pack as well. They're pretty good sculpt in my opinion. But yeah, so I think they live up in the cold climate because they're blue skinned as well. There are blue skinned orcs, but in D&D, but they live in the Underdark from it. It's the Avatar of Wars, Legendary Heroes. This is another good proxy for Age of Sigmar and Old World. Story begins. We got the dwarves, trolls for your Age of Sigmar needs. I think they go with the orcs and goblins, I believe. You got trolls for this month, and the battle groks as well. So it's pretty damn cool. If you're interested in that, G Sculpt art figure. Some of them are elegant, some of them really aren't. Looks like we got a Sentinel release. If you make this smaller, you can probably make this a Mechanicus piece if you're interested in that as well. That'll be for this month. Nicely sculpted too. Drunken Dwarves, I don't think they're here anymore. Yeah, they've been gone for a while. Hell Creator, this is another figure sculpt. Your starter, your pack. This is going to be for this is last month. This is for this month as well. We got Mizora. Really good sculpt for that as well. We got I think this one's from Elden Ring. Don't know for sure. Let's see here. The Seeker of Secrets, Treasure of the Elden Ring. We also got Magic from Marvel Rival for it. I wonder if they did justice, give her a big butt. Nope, never really. So this is a release of plans. So these threes are done. So you have Chung Li and Loth. That'll be coming up in the picture. I can't wait to print Loth. Loth is a hate and love relationship, especially in D&D. Especially when I do Underdark campaigns. It's one of those things I really do like to have. Or especially if you're a drow and you try to escape the Underdark and they try to hunt you down and so forth as well. It's new. This is Blue Sky Minis. They do a lot of orc stuff, like one of these things, like mechs and shit for orcs. But yeah, they usually will show what's going on towards the end of the month. But if you're interested in getting orcs for your 40k Age of Sigmar Old World, this is probably what you really want for it. Penske miniature. This is basically you can use proxy for this, but they use a lot of the famous movies and anime, and they basically make it into a war game. It is one page compatible for it. We just printed some xenomorph. I got print some marine colonials. Just try to play with my wife a bit. But the figures are really good. Helicopter pilot. So this is from The Thing. If you ever watched the movie The Thing, watch it. It's a pretty good horror suspense style. So yeah, this is from The Thing. And they also do cyberpunk as well. It's kind of damn freaking creepy. Man, you can just put this in the graveyard and just there. There's your gunner bro. That's from Aliens. The android. You got the serpent humanoid. Looks like a predator and a zealot from StarCraft just made babies. This might just be Templar. I think this is just actual StarCraft stuff. That's actually pretty cool. We got some zealots. We got some Dark Templars. Humanoids. It's actually cool. I do like StarCraft a lot. Protons. I do this for Aya. And they do have Cyberpunk. Oh, you got the Cerberus Xeno. That's actually pretty cool looking as well. Let's see here. What do we have for Cyberpunk? We got some Gundam, looks like it. Some stuff from Hellboy. So that's actually going to be pretty cool as well if you're interested in that. They also do previous month as well. This is Dungeon Pinups. Has lewd and etchy stuff on it. I'm not going to show much of it, but you guys can take a look at that yourself. Myth Bowl RN Studio. This is basically like Blood Bowl. I don't know what this month's going to be for Blood Bowl. I think it's Ogres or Skavens for it. This is from last month. Looks like the Undead. That's the girl from Monsters. Harley Quinn. So I think we're getting Skavens and Ogres for this month. 3D Printing Realm. Let's see here, March 20, we got Black Blade for free for a member. That's free. And it looks like we have some kind of pinup. And it looks like a spellcaster, demon spellcaster. Well, you go take a look if you're interested in that. A Cyberforge miniatures. This is also good for proxy for Warhammer and also for Dungeons and Dragons. Try to get stuff done. That's April. Here we go, March. So we got some Custodes. And this is for Cyberpunk and your terrain pieces as well. So we got some Custodes. Looks like a Dreadnought version of a Custode. But I don't know. Custodies are great. They're powerful. They just cost too much points. And I don't like getting my game finished right away. So this is Flesh of God. So this is like grim dark D&D style. The Fellow Whisper. So your gargantuan enemy, giant ass dragon, a large and huge enemy horde golem. That's actually pretty cool, especially with treasures and stuff going on. That will actually help. Alpha cloaker, treasure carrier, shadow demon. Medium-sized enemy, shadow misty, vault protector. Got a lot of mimic knights and so forth as well. Heroes and NPC. You get your bust and your thing, throwbacks. And it's pretty cool in many ways. Dark Remnant, I don't know if they're still alive. I think they still are. They do Star Wars miniatures as well. If it loads. Fucking loads. It'll make my life a little bit easier. So you got the Jedis, some Mandalorians, some bounty hunters, droid, and so forth. I know people start playing the miniature for Star Wars a lot more now, but I don't know nowadays because I haven't heard much about them. This one is Siphon Publishing. This is for like Spelljammer miniatures. If you're doing Spelljammer, this might be a very good one. It does comes with the ship if you pay a little bit more. Let's see here, March. Barrels below. So we got some two-headed crow, rat folk, and some worm. I really wish they just. There we go. You got some rats. Have different things. You got monsters. You got a giant cat, worm, a big ass two crow with a club, elephant, armored elephant, or elephant golem. In many ways. But yeah, go check them out if you guys can. But anyhow, I think that will be it for today. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.